Take off your crown. La la la, this is holy ground. Take your shoes off at the door. You don't need to run anymore. He's not waiting with a stone. He's been calling you back home. Every step you've walked in pain, He's been walking just the same. This is holy ground where mercy flows, where chains break off and healing grows. No need to hide, no need to fear. The presence of the Lord is here. So lift your hands, remove your doubt. You're standing now on holy ground. All the tears you thought were lost, He's collected every drop. This is not just dirt and floor, it's the place He makes hearts whole. You are not what you've been through, you are who He's speaking to. This is holy ground where mercy flows, where chains break off and healing grows. No need to hide, no need to fear. The presence of the Lord is here. So lift your hands, remove your doubt. You're standing now on holy ground. He's not far, He's in this space. You're surrounded by His grace. Every moment, every sound is sacred when His love is found. Where silence sings and sinners pray. So fall in awe and don't look down. You're standing now on holy ground.